How to join private Telegram channel without link here on your Telegram application, on your browser or on your PC available here. For this, I will simply find my Telegram application presently that is installed on my PC right now. So simply let me open it. And on this menu, you can see that this is the new corner here on my Telegram. I will click on the three dots, then select the new channel or the new group option from the menu. After selecting it, what should I have to do is I will have to find the channel. Any of the private channel I can simply search in this menu or in the search bar here available on the top of the screen. You should search any of the private channel and simply click on that channel whenever it appears in front of you. And then you should click on the follow channel or join the channel menu. Now you apply to join into the channel, and whenever the admin approves, you will be signed into your Telegram on that channel. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.